Hi, my name is Christina Barkheimer, and this is my Week 5 assignment. I will be talking about cybercrimes in Brazil. The highest crime by cyber that is committed in Brazil is banking. Brazil is the second country in the rank when it comes to online banking fraud and malware, and this is considered worldwide. Cybercrime in Brazil has cost more than $8 billion a year. And this is referenced by the OSAC in 2018. Brazil is known to have the highest concentration of ATM terminals. The cyber criminals will target the ATMs, and this is how they will obtain the victim's credit card information as well as their banking information. Criminals have also been known to target POS, which is point of sales, in stores to gather people's information, and that's where they will obtain information from, like a cashier. And they will use that information that they obtain to commit their crimes. Phishing is big in Brazil. This is when a hacker will send an email to the victim, and the email is malware, but the victim does not know it. The victim may think it is a legit letter from their bank. As an example, the bank, according to the email, the bank may be asking them to respond back to their email, and the victim is unaware. The victim will then go on to respond to the email, which then infects the victim's computer, which is how the criminals get their information. The three biggest cybercrimes in Brazil is identity theft, banking fraud, and phishing. Identity theft has reached an all-time high. In April, there has been 162,854 counts of identity theft, and this means that every 15.9 seconds there has been an identity theft that has occurred. Banking fraud, as in 2014, the percentage was 17%. Credit card fraud, which is 31.8 million customers had experienced credit card breach in 2015. It cost Brazil $16.31 billion. Phishing, there was a total number of records that totaled 10,848. There were 4,984 IP addresses that were affected, and this is just coming from 13 files that they had collected, so there's so much more. Issues that can happen from cybercrimes is a company or a bank that has fallen victim to any kind of cybercrime can cause that company to go bankrupt. This will also hurt that company's reputation for not being safe with the people's money, and the people will then start to close out their accounts with that bank. Here are some things that you can do to protect yourself, to be proactive in protecting your identity. Secure your social security number. You want to shred any papers that have your personal information on them, such as birth dates, account numbers, any store receipts that you may have that may offer personal information. Keep your personal information in a safe place. Install protection on your computer. This would be like a firewall or virus detection software. You want to review your credit report to see if there's any suspicious activities going on. You do not want to share your personal information with just anyone. Most of these criminals will pose as your bank. Well, your bank already has your account number, so Your bank will not ask you for your account number. If anything, your bank will want you to give them the number. Do not click on any links that you do not know about. This could be a virus or malware that is hidden in the email, and this could infect your computer, and they can get your personal information. Alright, that is my PowerPoint. Thank you for taking the time to view it.